สวัสดีค่ะ I'm your host Amy. Welcome to World of Thai Food. In this video, you will learn the traditional method of making coconut sticky rice cooked in bamboo. Here, my dad is cutting fresh bamboo into roughly 1 foot long containers. Each piece then needs to be individually fitted with a plug made from coconut husk. As you will see later, it is important that the bamboo is well sealed during cooking. Meanwhile, my uncle is grating the coconuts. We need quite a lot of coconut milk, so my uncle uses his makeshift electrical coconut grater. We traditionally make this dessert for big holidays, where the family gathers at home. So come along to my uncle's home in Sichon, where my family, uncles and aunts are all involved in preparing this delicious dessert. Like always, the sticky rice has soaked more than 2 hours in cold water. We then add some boiled white kidney beans before we stuff it in the bamboo. First, you add 1 inch of coconut milk into the container. Then you fill with the rice and bean mix until you have 4 inches of space left in the container. After that, top the rice with 2 inches of coconut milk so that you are left with enough space to plug the cylinder. You must wrap the husk with banana leaf before you push it into the bamboo. My uncle is carefully checking the quality of my Khao Lam since it is my first time making it. In this top view, my mom demonstrates the correct technique so you can better see the sequence. The bamboo should be placed upright and cooked for about 2 hours. It is very important to control heat and fire throughout the cooking process, so you don't burn the containers or the husk. When making this, my dad and uncle socialize over drinks while monitoring the fire. After the coconut sticky rice is cooked, the bamboo needs to cool down a little bit before we begin to prepare them for serving. The outer layer of the bamboo culm has to be removed all the way into the inner culm wall. This step requires skill and precision. If you remove too much, you will damage the membrane that surrounds the coconut sticky rice. When done correctly, the culm wall wrapper is paper thin and can easily be peeled by hand. This is what a perfectly cooked and presented Khao Lam should look like. Creamy on the top with the membrane holding the coconut sticky rice in nature zone packaging. I recommend you to try this next time you are in Thailand. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.